I thought I'd just do a little ad hoc test on performance between Python, Node, and Java. I've written a little program here which calculates hailstones. So this is the JavaScript application, for example, and I've repeated essentially the same code in JavaScript, Python, and Java itself. So here's the code that then hunts down hailstones using that hailstone function I've just shown you. Similar implementation in Python, almost the identical code line for line to JavaScript. Here's the while loop that generates the hailstones and hunts for new maximums. Java, I actually thought I was giving it a bit of a disadvantage. This is a big integer version of the code, so it actually is far more extensible than either the JavaScript or the Python code. And in the same way, I've used a big integer method for finding the hailstones in Java. So I fully expected that to be a negative on Java's performance. So here we go. I was expecting Node to perform the worst, Python second worst, and Java the best. But let me show you what happens. I'm actually going to start with Python, give it a 5-second head start. So here we go. Now I'm going to initiate the same code in JavaScript. What you'll notice is the JavaScript's almost immediately caught up and overtaken. And that time passed there a little bit, and now I'll run the Java application. The Java application almost immediately now takes over from both of those. Interesting thing on performance, if we look at the performance of those three, when you look at the three applications, Python is running a single thread, node.js is running 6, and Java is running 17 threads. And even though the CPU utilization is very similar, they're all essentially running a single process, the multi-threaded nature of Java seems to make all the difference. Essentially optimized compilation. So I think the net performance benefit of that is quite visible with Java essentially on a problem that is getting exponentially more difficult. You're seeing Java 5 terms ahead of node.js, and node.js in turn about 5 terms ahead of Python. If you look at Python's count, really only doing 230,000 calculations on its last hailstone it found. Java's already running 2.2 million calculations on its set, and in its turn, Node.js 1.1 million.